Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a clickable link inside your TikTok profile, and more importantly that you're not going to waste the opportunity of that link. You're going to actually have a call to action or a strategy around why you're sending them there. So first off, in your TikTok account, what we're going to do is go to the edit profile button, just like here, edit profile button, and then halfway down you will see the website option, and you will cut and paste or type in your link. Now for me, I use Easy Bio Link because it allows me to give multiple opportunities for that person to connect with me. Or you could alternatively use your email or build your bot. You could have a bot link on there, or you could actually just have your website, depending on what your strategy is. But you should be maximizing the opportunity to get these people onto your list by giving them a lead, a magnet, giving them something in return for this connection. Or maybe your strategy is just to build your YouTube channel. I'm not sure what yours is. So if we pop over to Easy Bio Link here, what I love about this is the fact that I can add a video in here, and I can have multiple points of call to action. So I can send them to the social media school, I can send them to my video training course, I can give them a blueprint, which is a lead generation, or I can send them to my group. Again, it doesn't matter where, as long as you have a strategy around the reason for sending them from TikTok to your actual lead generation. Like I said, you could use a website in there as long as you had a call to action on your website, so you're maximizing the opportunity for them to actually connect with you, and it is in line with your strategy. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's a heap of free stuff down in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for now. Bye for now.